Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to log out of imToken application using your mobile device. There isn't a direct logout option available in the imToken mobile applications. However, you can go ahead and follow the steps mentioned in the video to achieve a similar outcome. So, in order to log out of your imToken application, you can simply go ahead and delete your wallet from your device. But before that, you must back up your seed phrases securely. Go ahead and launch Open imToken app from your device, and from the main wallet page, go ahead and tap on My Profile at the bottom right. Now tap on Manage Your Wallet and tap the Manage option right at the top right of your wallet page. Select Backup Wallet option. Enter your imToken wallet's password and you will then be able to reveal your security phrases. Make sure to write down your seed phrases securely in a piece of paper, and once you are done with the backup, you can now delete your wallet. Tap on the Quit button at the bottom of the screen and tap on Confirm to delete. Enter a password for your imToken wallet in the text box and then tap on Confirm. Soon after you do that, you will be able to delete your wallet as well as log out of your wallet. As long as you have your backup phrases, you can restore your wallet anytime you want. So that is how you can easily log out or achieve a similar logout effect on imToken. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.